Old MacDonald had a farm, oh so bright, with clucking chickens from morning light. The cows went moo and danced in a line. Little piggies rolled in mud so fine. Ducks went quack near the sparkling pond. Frogs jumped high, of which they were fond. The horses neighed and trotted around. Kittens chased butterflies all over the ground. Sheep went by under the sunny sky. Baby goats tumbled and tried to fly. Bees buzzed happily from flower to flower. Old MacDonald hummed every hour. The dogs barked songs, tails wagging fast. Little chicks followed him as he passed. A rainbow appeared, painting the farm. Everything glowed with a gentle charm. Sun began to set, painting skies in gold. Animals yawned, stories to be told. Stars twinkled softly, night came so calm. Old MacDonald whispered, "Sleep,